So a to the n, we're looking for the term, okay? And it is going to be a sub 1 plus n, the number of terms. No, I'm sorry, that's wrong. It's not a to the n, it's just n. So if I want, let's go with the sixth term.
Wait, you didn't read the rule.
Okay,
Yeah,
the rule is n equals, okay, we're looking for the first term, so it's going to be what, 5a sub 1 plus parentheses n minus 1 close parentheses times the difference. So if I want the sixth term, what was the first term?
5.
The first term was 5. Let's see if I can organize that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am looking for my sixth. I don't know what that one is, right? So my first term is 5 plus, it's going to be 6 minus 1 is what? 5. What's the difference? The difference is 3. So 5 plus 15 is 20. Does that mean that the next term will be 20?
Yes.
Okay, so it's based on understanding what your first term is and how many differences there are after that. So to get to this, well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 differences. That's why I needed to multiply. 6 minus 1 is 5. I know that the difference is 3, so 3 times 5 is 15. Questions? Is that good? Are you good with that?
Not really.
No, I don't get it.
Okay.
Like, I understand what you're saying, but when I try to, like, what, can you do an example?
Yes.
Like, say if you were
Yes,
going
yes,
to
yes.
try
Let's
to
do another one.
Okay.
All right. I want to do an easy problem for you. Give me a formula, please.
I guess I just don't really understand.
Give a formula. Okay. Let's go. This is.
When she says 4 differences, is that 4 times 3 or?
Yeah.
All right, so I want to know what the sixth term is going to be. So here's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth. And I want to use my recursive rule. My recursive rule is based on what? The first term. So I know that it's going to be 7 plus, how many, what is the difference between all of these? 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So it's going to be, I'm looking for the sixth one, but how many times am I adding in that 6? 5. So it's n minus 1, which is 5. And what is the value of the difference? Times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. So the next term, does it make sense that the next term is going to be
Yeah, okay.
37? Okay? All right. Let's see. Do we have time? We have time for one word problem. I'm doing it with you. Okay? So let's see if this makes sense to you. The period between full moons has been observed to be 29.53 days. Does that sound reasonable?
Yeah.
So every month, or about 29.53 days. If the first full moon, so do we know the series now? The first number is 13.41 days into the year, or what, the 14th day of the year, when will the 9th full moon of the year occur? Well, I know the first one. How many periods are going to occur between that first one and the 9th? 8. So it follows my rule. I just lost my marker. And it's going to be, if I know that the first one is at day 13.41, and the difference, the common difference is 29.53, doesn't it make sense that the 9th term will be the first one and 8 times that time, and it would occur on the 249.65 days, so I would probably round that out to what? The 250th day of the year? Yes? Okay, so that's the lesson for today. And it's just understanding the notation, and